Ladies and gentlemen,
Hi guys, I'm Aki and welcome to my channel.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up.
To start off, I applied lip balm from Yves Rocher and sprayed some aloe vera mist from Nature Republic to prep my face. For my primer, I used the Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. Now I'm using the Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild and I'm in the shade of Golden Beige.
Every time I speak, I feel myself fall. Do you wish to find the truth in my lies? Sorry, darling, there's no truth here. No, it's just the two of us, my dear. Listen to me, don't you hear? I only fell for you. I only fell for you, baby. Though you let them see your fear, promise not to shed a tear. I only fell for you. I only fell for you, baby.
For my eyebrows, I'm using the eyebrow pencil from Jazzy France. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows and filling the gaps before blending it using an angled brush. I'm just cleaning the edges using a concealer. Girl Pro Conceal in the shade of Light Ivory, and I'm just applying it on my under eyes, my chin, the corners of my mouth and nose, on the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. To set my concealer, I'm using the Nichido Final Powder in Ivory Glow. After waiting a minute or two, I'm just brushing off the powder using a powder brush because I didn't want to overbake. To prime my eyelids, I'm just using the same concealer that I used earlier. I'm using the shade Bisque to set the concealer on my eyelids. For the transition color, I used the matte shade called Salmon. I'm using the shade Indian Red and applying it on the outer V of my eyes and on my crease. Using a clean blending brush, I'm just blending the colors in. To deepen the color on the outer V of my eyes, I used the shade Toffee. Just using the same blending brush to blend the edges. And finally, I'm using the shimmer shade called Garnet and applying it on my lids. For the corners of my eyes, I use the shimmer shade called Moonlight. For my under eyes, I'm just using the shade Toffee and applying it halfway. Instead of using a liquid eyeliner, I used the shade Corbin from the eyeshadow palette and created a tiny wing using a small angled brush. For my lashes, I just curled it, skipped applying the mascara, and directly put my Falsies on. Now I am using the contouring shade from SFR Color Bronze Eye and Cheek Palette.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun.
To set my contour, I'm using the final powder from Nichido.
Don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
For contouring my nose, I used the brown eyeshadow shade on the palette instead.
Yeah, walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you.
Now I'm using this blush from NYX Butt Naked Turn the Other Cheek palette.
So honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb, crying.
While for my highlight, I'm using this shade and applying it on the high points of my face.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
Last but not the least, I'm using the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Best Babe.
Colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.